This is the brand new Eufy X8 hybrid. I've been very excited to get our hands on this because it is quite unique in that it has twin suction motors delivering 4,000 pascals of suction. So it's going to be really interesting to see how that actually performs, but that will be coming shortly in a separate video. For now, we're just going to take it out of the box and see how it looks and feels. The box itself is pretty cool. The black and gold feels very luxury, and some of the patterns are textured instead of just printed, which I'm guessing you can't tell in the video. In the top of the box there is a cover which has the user manual and some instructions to help you get started. Underneath we find the robot and the charging base. The packaging is pretty simple really, which is a good thing because it's normally a bit overwhelming to even know what to do with it all after you've finished opening it. I actually didn't like the photos I'd seen of this robot, but there's a lot of detailing, and in person the black and gold is quite striking. It feels like a premium RoboVac, which is something you do get a bit of a feel for. Underneath the robot we have some zip ties. It says they're for cable management, but they're actually probably more useful for other cables around the house than on the base because there's a cable organizer on it. And we have a spare side brush, filter, and the power cables. This plastic sheet is for putting underneath the base if you're using the mop, as it obviously stays damp for a while after each use. The mopping pad is also in the cover sheet. It's a separate attachment, so you need to remove it when you want to vacuum the carpet, and the robot is smart enough to avoid carpet with it attached, so you won't get mucky carpets. And that is everything in the box. We have a full review coming soon, so stay posted to see how this dual suction motor actually performs. Is it marketing, or is it the future of the robot vacuum? Stay tuned.